What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episodes, I will teach you how to recover all of your deleted chat, photos, or videos on Snapchat. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first of all, log into your Snapchat account and your home page. Just click this one right here in the top left corner, and you will go to your profile. Also, click this gear icon right here. Then you will need to scroll down until you see My Data right here. So after you see my data, just click that and let's just wait until it's finished downloading up. Then after it's finished, you will need to log in to your account again. And after logging it, it will redirect you to this page where you can see all of your data, all of your Snapchat history that is being checked, all deleted photos and videos. And if you want to recover them, just scroll down until you see this one. You need to turn on this one to make a Snapchat downloadable form. And after turning that on, you will need to also provide your email address. And also you can filter your export by data range, so you can choose the date. And after that, just click submit request, and the Snapchat will email you with a downloadable forms of all of your deleted data on Snapchat. And that's it. That's how you're going to do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.